There's 3 levels of culinary arts. The students learn basic foundations, sanitation, safety. They learn cooking methods, which is probably the most important thing rather than learning how to read a recipe. My most important thing that I like to teach the students is work ethic, because our industry leaders, they want to hire students that have a good work ethic. They'll hire for character over skill and knowledge. They can teach skill and knowledge, but students that graduate from here with all 3 levels, they will be able to produce mother sauces, they will have knife skills, and all the skills and knowledge that they would need to start for sanitation and safety and a food service manager. A lot of students are not necessarily going to go on to industry, but everybody's going to have to learn how to cook, and everybody's going to have a family that they'll need to feed.
Well, the main thing that's caught me by surprise is like how many utensils and tools there are for a lot of different things and how complex being a chef really is. And we learned a lot about the industry as a whole. We did like a menu restaurant plan where we constructed our own restaurant and the layout and our menu and the pricing for it. So it's a lot of different aspects.
I'm actually really confident in cooking. I actually cook a lot more at home. I make a lot, like I've tried stir fry, which we've made in here, and fajitas, and just, you know, it's a multicultural cooking class. There's not just, you know, burgers or cookies. It's like stir fry, pad thai.
I like getting the hands-on experience at school because then I can apply it at my house and cook stuff for my siblings, and I'm even doing some stuff for Thanksgiving now. I think it's a good class to take because it's something new outside of just doing academic work all the time. It's a really good break, and since it is culinary and it is an elective, and it's very hands-on instead of just sitting at a desk and looking at a PowerPoint and taking notes.